Today I'm going to show you how to use the DSP7700 by Hunter. It is a very basic machine. First thing we want to do is to find a cone. We want the cone to go up into the hole but not through it. We're going to put that on the spindle. We're going to put the tire up on the spindle and onto the cone. I'm going to take my wing nut with my cup on it. And I'm going to tighten that on. I want you to start with a wheel with no wheel weights on it. So all you normally have to do is to grab the weight with the pliers and rotate it off. Like that. And you'll take the wheel weight right off. We want to, on this machine, we have to manually put the measurements in. So if I start with the wheel diameter, I can look at the side of the tire. This one is a P235/70R16. So I'm going to hit diameter and it tells me 0. I want to dial that up till it's 16. Next thing I want to do is I want to find the width. This is a caliper. This will tell me the width. I'm going to put this right underneath the lip of the machine. This tells me that it was right at 7 inches in width. So I'm going to hit width. I'm going to dial that up to where it says 7. The last measurement that it wants is it wants to know how far the tire is away from the machine. I'm going to take the arm, I'm going to put it right underneath the lip. I'm going to look down here. It tells me 175 millimeters. So I'm going to hit distance away from the machine. And in this case, I'm going to dial it down to 175. Once I'm at this point, I want to give the tire a little push. Hit start. It's going to tell me that it wants 0.75 ounces on one side and a half an ounce on the other. So I'm going to take my wheel weights. I've got a 0.75 or 21 gram wheel weight here. On this machine, I'm going to spin it around. If the light is blinking like this, that means I'm 180 degrees out. I want to rotate it around till this light turns green. Once that light turns green, I'm going to come across at the 12 o'clock position. And I'm going to put the wheel weight on there. Got a whole bunch of half-ounce wheel weights. Then I'm going to grab a half-ounce wheel weight. If the clip is a little bit too large, I want to clamp down on it a little bit. We have two different styles of clips. We have one that has a large clip, one that has a small clip. The large clips are for alloy rims. The small clips are for steel rims. Again, I'm going to spin this around till my light turns green. Then I'm going to put it on at the 12 o'clock position. If I've got everything right, I'm going to push the tire to get it started. I'm going to hit start. If everything's right, it's going to come up zeros all the way across. Then the only thing I have to do take the tire off the machine, put it back outside. Do not leave it next to the machine. If you have any questions, please ask.